A story for the whole world to see. A story of love, friendship, betrayal. A story that teaches persistence, patience, contentment, alagbede. I see a galaxy of stars in the building. Àwọn ìràwọ̀ wọlé, àwọn alágbẹ̀dẹ wọlé dé. JLX Aesthetics Production. I see you. I see veterans in the building. Evergreen actors. Astute practitioners in the building. I see professionals in the building. I see thespians in the building. I see movie makers in the building. I see storytellers in the building. Ojo is in the building. It is time for exchange of pleasantries. It is a get together for excellence. It is a reunion of some sorts. I see Mr. Iyabo Ojo, the co-producer in the building. I see senior thespians in the building. I see Odunlade Adekola in the building.